Hi, my name is Diane Neale, your NT Academy Design Instructor. Welcome to the NT family. We not only have to make visions become a reality, but also do it seamlessly and with grace. And the key to executing a beautiful design is having a solid plan and a roadmap to follow. And the first step to this is understanding the hardware that is needed for your design goals. But first, let me tell you a little bit about us. Ziska, Goodridge-Taylor and I are the owners of Neale and Taylor Wedding and Events with 15 years experience in the event industry. We have planned and decorated from festivals to weddings to corporate events to social events. And we have been trained and certified by the George Washington University in Event Planning and the International Wedding and Event Design Institute in Event Design. We teach everything events, inclusive of backdrop draping, ceiling draping, table and tabletop draping, canopy draping, ceremony draping, event lighting, and so much more. We also teach event professionals the strategies to make the business more successful. In this unit, we will develop the foundational techniques and skills to create beautiful backdrops for any type of wedding or event. We will be teaching the introduction to the pipe and drape system, starting with a comprehensive overview of the various hardware elements that are used to construct panel backdrops, progressing to the variety of fabrics available to you as a designer, and finishing with step-by-step instructions in creating a stunning custom backdrop. This unit will also provide you with the essential skills that will lead to more advanced designs later on in the course. Be sure to practice the techniques multiple times to develop your skill and efficiency at working with the hardware and fabrics. You will also learn the key terms which will be used or what are usually used in the event industry. For example, hardware. Hardware refers to the main components of the pipe and drape system, including the base plate, the upright, and the crossbar, which is also known as drape support bars. One panel, and that is the setup for a backdrop that uses one crossbar. Every additional crossbar is an additional panel. Pole coverings. And pole coverings refer to a piece of fabric that sits on the upright of a backdrop to hide the pole covers or to hide the pole. Valance. And valance is a decorative swag in the fabric, and it can be used in backdrops, tables, and ceremony decor. Double valance. And these are two decorative fabric swags that are layered curtains, a style of backdrop that collects the fabric in the middle towards each upright to create a certain style. 10 feet share, and this refers to a piece of share voile that is 10 feet in length. 21 feet share, and this refers to a piece of share fabric that is 21 feet in length. And 30 feet share, and this also refers to a piece of share voile that is 30 feet in length. So let's get started.